Hi, welcome to another tutorial on OpenOffice Calc. So now we'll be taking a look at different sheets and how it can be beneficial to you to link different sheets together. So if you take a look at the bottom left here, you'll be able to see three sheets: Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Right-clicking on one of the sheets allows you to rename, delete, or insert another sheet. So let's delete Sheet 3 for now. Yes, we would like to delete. And let's rename Sheet 2. So we right-click on the sheet, rename to, let's say, Product 1. Hit OK, and the name is changed. Now, going back to our sheet, we can see that we have all the data that we previously created, but we would like to move it to the other sheet. So what shall we do? Let's say that we would like to copy over the dates. So we simply select all the dates, right-click, and either copy or cut it out of place. So now we'll hit copy, or we can also hold Control and click C. That will copy the whole row. Now let's move to Product 1. Choose a spot to begin pasting. Right-click and click Paste. That pasted all the values into this sheet, but it is not linked. Now if we'd like to, let's say, get the profit, pull it into Product 1 sheet. But we would like it to be linked. For example, if something changes here, it will automatically be changed here as well. So let's see how we do that. We would like to start off with this cell. So all we need to do is select the cell that we want to input to, hit equals, and then we just go back to the sheet and select the cell we want. Then click Enter, and it's the same. You see that now it's linked, but we'd like to link the whole list, not just one cell. So all you need to do is just hover over here, click and drag it down, and then you get all the different values which are now linked to Sheet 1. So let's go over to Sheet 1 and let's see an example of it. Let's say that our profit right here was 0. Going back to Product 1, we see that it changed here as well. Now this also works for functions. So let's select another cell, hit equals, and now we would like to sum a certain value from Sheet 1. So let's go back to Sheet 1 after punching in sum, and we opened a parentheses. We go over to Sheet 1 and we select whatever it is we want to summarize. So in this case, the whole cost column. After selecting it, click Enter, and there you go. It shows you the summation of all the costs right here. Now let's say that we would like to move this table, this chart, we would like to move it to a new sheet. So all we got to do is simply create a new sheet, right-click, Insert Sheet, we'll give it a name, call it Chart, and click OK. Now we see it was added here. So all we need to do is go to Sheet 1, click on the chart once, right-click, and cut. Or we can click Control, hold it, and then hit X. It will be cut away from this sheet. Now we'll go to the chart sheet, select a place to start with, and either right-click and paste, or Control V. We can enlarge it. And that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.